Hello everyone, welcome back to Mac and PC Prime Video. Are you trying to install or launch Autodesk 2027, but you're getting error code 0x800080A3? Don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you several proven methods to fix this error on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Let's get started. Install .NET 10. Runtime. One of the most common causes is a missing or corrupted Microsoft .NET runtime. Autodesk 2026 and 2027 depend on .NET 10. Install .NET 10 Desktop Runtime, .NET Runtime, ASP.NET Core. Runtime, then restart your PC. Autodesk notes that AutoCAD 2026 and 2027 are designed to run on .NET 10, and having only newer runtimes such as .NET 10 may not be sufficient. If this video helped you fix Autodesk 2027 error code 0x800080A3, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Mac and PC Prime Video for more Autodesk, Windows, Mac, and PC repair tutorials. If you're still seeing the error, leave a comment below with your Autodesk product, AutoCAD, Revit, Inventor, Maya, etc., Windows version. The exact error message. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.